So many years of life in Pakistan, yet this is my first time to be checking out a cobbler's shop or a shoe repair shop. Let's see together what are all of those interesting things in this little station. Also, do not forget to mention how your cobbler shops look like in your city, town, or the country you live in. Hello, have you ever seen a shop like this? So many imitation brands just for rupees 50. Haha. Do you know what this is? This is an old technology of brushing teeth. These sticks are called Maswak. You chew them, soften them until you're able to rub them on your teeth. Look at this little shop anyway. Here's the seat of the shopkeeper. That's where the shoes are. He's probably mending the shoes as well while he's selling other stuff. So many things. I'm guessing this is our cobbler's way of not putting all of his eggs in one basket. After all, someone who needs shoes repaired might also need to buy socks. Might also need a comb, sunshades, keychain, and what are these things hanging? Belts or laces? Wallets, and of course clean tape. And to look high-tech, some earphones. This is a whole grooming station, people, and not your ordinary cobbler shop. And watch how he's mending the shoe with the help of a lighter. He's burning off the loose open threads for them to become hard enough not to come off the stitch holes again. I thought that was pretty cool, that instead of snipping them, he's just burning them off. Amazing.